Tell me about a time you had to learn how to use a new technology at work or school.
I had to learn a new software program once, and I picked it up pretty quickly. I didn't get much help from anyone, but I just watched a few YouTube videos and figured it out on my own. I'm a fast learner, so I'm sure I could pick up any new technology quickly.
What could have been improved? The candidate did not name the software or explain why it was important, made the skill and effort seem too simple, and did not show how learning the software helped the team or project. Let's try that again. Tell me about a time you had to learn how to use a new technology at work or school.
At my previous job, I needed to learn new project management software, Asana, to help our team work better. At first, it seemed hard, but I took the initiative to complete online tutorials and joined a training session offered by the company. I also worked with coworkers who were more experienced, asking for tips and best practices. Within a few weeks, I became good at using Asana and helped my team organize our tasks better, which made it easier for us to meet deadlines. This experience taught me the value of learning on my own and working with others when using new technologies.
What went well this time around? The candidate showed initiative by learning the software through online tutorials and training sessions, pointed out how they worked with a team by asking for tips from experienced coworkers, and talked about how learning the software benefited the team. Nail your next interview with CareerPrepped.com.